Right, so yesterday we worked on this widget detection indicator that shows up in the UI when the player is detected, uh, starting to detect, it start filling up, and when fully detected it blinks. So that's what we worked on yesterday. Here is it again. Okay, so now the next step is how to actually make the enemy character detect the player. I mean, register with the behavior tree so that maybe start shooting or flanking or act accordingly. That's what I want to do next. So for that, here if it's not the player that is being detected, this is what happens here. No, on C. We call update target actor. So we can call the same function here also after player is detected, so that it will to set the necessary blackboard variables and everything to make the enemy AI react to the player. And if the player is not detected or lost, we don't have to call anything because we are not registering the player character with the behavior tree. So let's see what happens now. After fully detected, they should start reacting. See, they start shooting. Why this guy don't have any weapons? Guns. Okay, let's give him an AK. Right, so it is working. But another possible problem could be this. So even after I am detected and they start shooting, if I go away from their view and come back, you see that icon still appears. That is actually not necessary because they have already detected me. So what I can do is only if the enemy character go back to their normal duty routine, that means they have lost the player character and they just stop fighting and going back to their normal routine, maybe the patrolling or something, as I have defined in the code. Only if that happens, if they encounter the player again, we should show this detection indicator. So to do that, let's first we need to set detected level to 0, and here actually I don't think we need to keep this. It's efficient to keep this in the memory. So can we destroy? No, I think it is. Oh, there is no function to destroy. So let's avoid recreating if we already have one. For that we can do this. Convert to a validated get. if we don't have one, we need to create, otherwise we don't have to create. So can continue like this. One more thing, toggle blink. Blink icon, we need to stop blinking if it is already blinking. So this is blink icon. Let's create another custom event. Reset in reset icon. So it should set the percentage back to 0. And stop blinking animation if it is playing. Should this be enough? Let's see. Before we add it to the viewport, we need to reset it. Otherwise, in the next time when we try to show this in the viewport, it will be already in red blinking. But I'm not sure the red is reverted here. Need to check. Wait, what happened? Okay, why didn't sorry, this part should happen after the do once. That means here. Otherwise it can keep resetting. No. Is this being called multiple times? Let's add a print here so that we can see. Oh, player detected. Why? Sorry, detected level. Sorry. This is not what I should update. Player detection level, not detected level. Detected level means 50. The amount that we need to have in order to identify as player is detected. Right now it's working. Okay, so if I hide and come back, I am still getting the fill, but it's already red. And was already added to the screen. So we can do this. Yeah, in the reset we need to set the color, fill color, because in this animation I change the fill color to red, so I need to change it back to white when we reset. So detection meter, set fill color and opacity, back to white. Right, now let's see again. Okay, break the line of sight, go back. Okay, it's working correctly, but the second time showing the bar is not necessary because enemy character is already engaging in the fight. So one more thing we need to fix, to check is in viewport only if that is false. We should add it back to the viewport. If it is true, we shouldn't do anything. We shouldn't try to add it to the viewport. So it should be like this. Right, and another thing is I noticed is enemy character keeps shooting at the player even after a long time that player has broken the line of sight. So right, now this output is connected to this part which takes care of clearing out blackboard values and makes the enemy character AI return to normal. So now let's try. Right, now let's see what happens again. Okay, got detected. Now let me go and hide for some time. Right, now they are searching. See, not shooting constantly, they are searching. So after some time they should return to their duties. Still in the search mode. So actually I haven't defined any duties for them, but still they should return to their initial position, at least as I remember, according to the way I have set up the AI. Not really. Let's debug. And duty. These guys are not in duty. What's happening? All of these are blocked. Duty is not enabled. So none of the things are executing. What's the reason for that? So these blocked calls, you can see from red. Wait, need to fix that. Yeah, actually for these guys I haven't enabled any duty, so that's why I got that red. So if I enable duty, what they should be doing is going on free roam. See, so once they okay, now I got detected. Let me break line of sight. Wait for a while. They are searching. See, they in the duty mode. No, they are still searching. Right, now they are in the duty mode. All of them. See, now they are not looking at the direction that player was. So they are in the duty mode. Let's go once again. Okay, yeah, detection meter started again. Oh, in this case it shouldn't start. So because they are either they are still searching or they are not in the duty mode. So we need to check if they are already engaging before putting up the detection meter on the viewport again. So for that, how can we implement it? Here they are running duty in a run the behavior duty. That means now they are back to normal behavior. So here maybe if I do the player detection part also, that means filling up the detection meter also inside the behavior tree, that would be better actually, but that could complicate this behavior tree further. But I don't instead of moving the detection logic into the AI behavior tree, I'll temporarily do a solution so that we can conclude today's episode. in here to inform the AI controller that the AI is now cooled down, it's in normal behavior. So for that, yeah, do we have anything like on alert? No. Let me add a temporary variable on alert. So I'm going to change this later, but this is only temporary. And under class settings, oh, what's this update AI mode? This is for offensive defensive, it doesn't matter. Here toggle alert mode, not alert, yeah, it's okay. Enable right now. Here when we return the character to duty, we need to have another task to toggle alert mode, but we don't have a task, so let's create one. Okay, here receive execute AI on a controller, that means the AI controller. Toggle alert mode, I want to disable it, and finish execute with a success. If I promote this to a variable as enable, I should be able to change it if I want from here. Toggle alert mode, enable false. Okay, and then in the AI controller itself, in on C enemy, I should consider this is player path only if we are in this non-alert mode. So not if we are in not alerted mode, we should consider checking if this is the player or showing the detection meter, etc. Otherwise we can just skip to this. Right, shall we test now? Now right after hiding and coming back, oh, I'm still seen. Wait, actually I didn't make that variable true anywhere. So I can do it here in the behavior tree itself. Alert mode enable. A major refactoring incoming for that part. Why it's not shooting? Did I do something wrong here? Sorry. Yeah, because there are no any decorators there, so only that where node is getting called. So we should do that, call it here. Set toggle alert mode enable. Oh wait, it got detected, so let me hide. Now if I go back for this guy, no, for the guy who was already shooting at me, didn't appear the detection meter. See, it should appear only after I'm completely hidden. They no longer know where I am, they are in the duty. But for now, even if I go into decision point, detection meter is not showing up. Alright, I think let's wait until they go into the duty. Oh, they are coming. They are not giving up. See. Okay, I guess the other guy is back in duty because he's not focusing on me anymore. Yeah, both are. Now let me go there. Okay, I'm getting the detection meter. Alright, so it is working as intended, and I'm gonna stop it here, but this is not finished. I have to continue to work on this and clean up the code. So yeah, let's continue to do that in future episodes. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.